Have you ever wanted to make your Canva designs more interactive or location focused? In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to embed Google Maps into your Canva projects the right way for 2025. Whether you're designing event invites, travel itineraries, business presentations, or anything that needs a geographic touch, this trick instantly elevates your work. Start by opening your Canva project and making sure you're on the main editing page. This is your creative space where everything comes together. On the left-hand panel, look for the Embed option. It's usually grouped with other elements and apps. Click it and you'll see several tools you can bring right into your design. From there, select Google Maps. This opens a small interface that lets you connect a map directly inside your layout. Once you click it, you'll see a small pencil icon appear. This is the Edit button, and it's the key to adding your custom location. Before you paste anything, you'll need your Google Maps link ready. So quickly open Google Maps in your browser, search for the location you want, then hit share and copy the link provided. It works with any address, landmark, or pinned spot. Head back to Canva and click that pencil icon. You'll see a field where you can paste the map link. Drop it in, double check that it's accurate, and confirm by clicking Done. Canva will instantly embed the map into your design area. You'll see it appear like any other element, fully displayed and ready to resize, crop, or frame with your usual Canva tools. This is perfect for showing event venues, store locations, travel routes, or even visual storytelling. And that's all it takes. In just a few clicks, you've added a live, informative map without leaving your design workspace. It's not just a visual upgrade, it adds real clarity and value for your audience. If this helped you, explore more features like interactive embeds and custom layouts, and watch how your designs become more dynamic and professional. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.